All right, so in this situation, we have two equations. We have two things that are constant, are in both our y's. So if we rearrange these to equal y, we can set them equal to each other. So it would look something like this. The tan of 58 degrees, we'll multiply both sides by x to cancel that x out, times x will equal y. If we do conversely on the other side, the tan of 32 degrees times x plus 400 equals y. Okay, now we're going to set them equal to each other. The tan of 58 degrees times x equals the tan of 32 degrees times x plus 400. Okay, I'm going to distribute this inside my brackets to eliminate that. So I get the tan of 58. Shoot. This video was going so great up until then. Okay. Tan of 58x equals the tan of 32. God. Tan of 32x plus the tan of 32 times 400. I should rewrite that because that's confusing. That's two things. You got to do the tan of 32, then times it by 400. I'm going to move my 400 around here. I'm going to subtract this onto the other side because I still need to get my x's together. And I need more room. I'm going to go into another slide here. Oh, it's still recording. The tan of 58x minus the tan of 32x equals 400 times the tan of 32. All right. Now, the greatest common factor between these two is x. So I'm going to pull my x out, leaving me with the tan of 58 minus the tan of 32. Still equals 400 times tan 32. Tan 32, like, we could evaluate this. This piece here is a number. It's just written really weirdly. So, because we have this factor here, we can divide both by tan 58 minus tan 32, and those two will cancel each other out, leaving me with x equals, and this is what we're going to put into our calculator, 400 times the tan of 32 divided by the tan of 58 minus the tan of 32. It's very complicated to get to this point. That's why it's called the complex problem. But your final answer should be, let's punch it in the calculator here. Watch your bracketing on this. I do the top, and then I bracket the bottom and do it. I end up with x equals, 256.23 meters. We're still not done. That's how complicated this question is. Next slide. Okay, we know that x equals 256.23, but we don't know what y is. We do know that y does equal the tan of 58 degrees times our x, right? That was one of our original equations. So we can say y equals 256.23 times tan 58 to get an astounding y of equals 410 meters. The end.